Hello, everyone. This is Ben Pelham, PelhamPlanetaryResearch.com. Want to invite you onto our little spaceship here again here. We call it the Earth Alien Express spacecraft. It's kind of an old model, but it still gets around quite well. So we're going to take you to a fabulous underwater complex. It's in Albania. It's one of the most unusual that I've found yet, and I know that you're gonna like it a lot. So everybody's got their seat, and we're getting ready to push the button that will blast us off. Now we've commenced a 7-second trip to Albania, coming in for a landing. Yeah, now you see what I'm talking about. This is really, really, really amazing stuff right here. I've done a little research. I'm not up on colors too well, but I think one of the colors that described this was a teal, Teal. It looks kind of like some kind of polished marble in a way, like an aquamarine type color. I've never seen anything quite like this at all since I've been researching. And I'll try not move it so quick so you can kind of study it better. You can see that this is a large lake that provides the window that we look through. And you can see also this shows you that what I'm showing you is inner Earth. You see it pass under the landmass cube? It's going right under the landmass and continuing on. So these guys, they live inner Earth and go down 100 miles or more if they want to, outward that and more. Their technology is light years ahead of what we can do. And they're all over the place. They're in Chile, they're in Argentina, they're in Peru, they're in Canada, they're in the United States, different states in the Union, Oregon, Washington, Alabama, and on and on and on, Georgia. They're just about everywhere they want to be. So I'll kind of scroll it around, try to slow down just a little bit. This is such a magnificent sight. I'm going to lean it over a little bit and you can see how expansive it is. And we'll bring it out slowly so you can kind of get a better look at it. Of all the complexes that I've been able to locate, over 150 thus far, this one is unique. I've never seen anything like this before. So it would be interesting to know where these particular aliens, well, we can't say where they're from because they might ask us the same question. They probably were here maybe a million years before we showed up. And again, I call them aliens, but I'm sure that's what they call us. We're the surface humans to them, and they don't bother us. They got some kind of a galactic law or something that makes them let us function on the surface of the earth, and they go about their business, and they let us go about our business. Kind of like that, because if they wanted, if they didn't have any restriction on them at all, they could, in the blink of an eye, do us in and completely annihilate us, I'm sure. Anyway, go to the website sometime and look at the huge amount of clear photos of these inner Earth underwater complexes that are on there in the world, or the world section, or the Earth section of my website. There's 2 pages. They just keep going down like a roll of toilet paper, but that's why I call them 2 pages. Then while you're there, go ahead and check and look over some of the industrial sites on Earth's moon. There's a huge amount of clear photos of that on there. And Also the planet Uranus, which is a mysterious place in its own right. I was able to discover what's under the polar caps of Uranus and the inside of it too, the interior. I have some photos posted on there that'll show you that Uranus is actually one big machine. It's about 30,000 miles, as I understand it, in diameter. It's a huge, huge planet. The under the polar caps, there are mechanisms there that look a lot like a big combination lock. I measured them. They'd be about something like 10,000 miles just across that polar cap mechanism that's there. So you can go over there and check that out. So this is flight number 8, and I look forward to posting flight number 9 later on. So hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, this has been Pelham, PelhamPlanetaryResearch.com. So long, everybody.